Welcome to Takehara. Often called the Little Kyoto of Aki, this quiet town preserves the elegance of Edo-era Japan, echoing Kyoto's charm minus the crowds. Overlooking the town from a peaceful hillside is Saihōji Temple. Founded in the 16th century, this Saihōji Temple offers a space for quiet reflection and sweeping views. While little is recorded about the bell itself, like many Saihōji temples, it is rung during ceremonies or to mark the passage of time. It sounds gently, echoing across the valley. Built in 1758, Fumeikaku Hall was inspired by Kyoto's Kiyomizu-dera. Its wooden platform stretches over the hillside, offering beautiful views of the historic town and the shimmering Seto Inland Sea. In Takehara, time seems to slow, and at Saihōji Temple, you don't just witness history, you feel it in the air, the silence, the view. Below the hall, the 11-headed cannon watches over both the living and the departed. The temple cemetery rests beneath tall cedar trees, where generations sleep in quiet dignity. Saihōji Temple isn't just a scenic overlook or a historical site, it's a living memory woven into the fabric of Takehara. From the quiet cemetery to Fumeikaku Hall, every corner invites you to slow down and reconnect with the past, with nature, and maybe with yourself. In a world that rarely pauses, this little Kyoto of Aki reminds us that beauty often lives in stillness. Thanks for watching. If the journey brought you a moment of peace, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the comment.